HTML and CSS3 tutorials for beginners. Introducing CSS. CSS is cascading style sheets. Best way to think about cascading style sheets is that think of waterfall levels. Because as we will learn more and more about CSS, we'll understand why it's actually called cascading style sheets. Because the rules that we define to present our web pages, the rules cascade to the one below, as in parent-child relationship. Think it like that. Let's imagine we're looking at our basic YouTube playlist screen. Let me remove some of the styles from here and see what happens. As you can see, everything goes out of its place. Let me also do this on my blog, and I'll remove the styles. That's one part of the style, and that's another. Now, without styles, this is our basic web page. That means our HTML5 documents without any styles, let's take a look. It's just divs, sections, articles, or whatever we define using HTML and HTML tags. So as you can see, without styles, everything becomes very difficult in today's technology world, as an internet world. That means we want to present our web copy. Now, it is actually easy for you to learn CSS at the beginning, and I will try my best to simplify it for you. But the critical insight that I can pass on to you is that when you're designing web pages and you want to present the content, then you should be able to say to yourself, okay, you know what? I can apply CSS, but how can I present my web pages? As in, how can I design the page elements in such way that whoever is going to interact with my web pages do so interact in a pleasant manner, in an easier to understand manner. Because once you grasp that concept, then you can apply your CSS for what it's worth, instead of just, styling things without considering the people who are going to interact with it. Because your job as a CSS designer or a web developer is to not just put out content and make everything semantic, but do so in such way that whoever interacts with it does so in a pleasant manner without getting confused, and so on. And this is the introduction video, and in the coming video sessions I'll follow the unorthodox methods of giving you the core insights that you need to learn about CSS. And I'll talk with you in the next video session.